Welcome to St. Benedict's Monastery, Corte Carmen, Cebu. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Andito kami ngayon sa Benedict's Monastery. Yan, itutour namin kayo dito sa loob. Just a minutes away from Carmen proper. Santo Niño de Cebu, Our Lady of Manaoag Rosary Center. Dito tayo sa parking guys. Yun ang parking area. Park muna natin si brother, si Kuya Sniper. Let's park it here. Pagkatapos mag-park ni Kuya Sniper, let's go up. First stop. Pray muna kami. Kaya tayo. Best time to pray kasi walang tao. Tahimik yung lugar. Maraming tao dito pag weekends. Pag ganitong days, like weekdays, wala talaga, bibihira lang yung tao. Maganda siyang place for gusto mo mag-pray, makapag-usap kay Lord. Ayan. Pause ko muna guys ha. Ikot lang.
Niya babaw para makakontrol sa kidakong Santo Niño. Ganyan kalaki si Senyor Santo Niño, Batang Balaan. Yan.
Napakasulim ng place. Yan. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more travel guys or for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, the Miramar channel. Bye guys.